Jai Shri Jagannath. We have our 7th anniversary of Sri Jagannath Mahaprabhu, who arrived in 2017, February 17th. And we are celebrating Sthapana anniversary for 7th year. And we have with us our Consul General of India, Honorable Chandramouli Sahab.
Jai Jagannath.
And he is here for the second time, and we are happy to see his enthusiasm and his dedications to have the Karta himself and with his wife. First year I have seen last time for the full day he was having full devotions, and this year also he is going to have with fastings sitting as Karta. Chandramouli sir, can you just elaborate how you got these dedications? Because we are not getting that much. So you can tell us so that we can tell everybody. We can get more enthusiasm from you, sir.
Jai Shri Jagannath. I am thankful to Uriya Samaj Association of Nigeria, USAN, for inviting me for this function. And I feel honored and privileged to be part of their 7th anniversary celebrations. Last time also I participated, and from that day onward, the spiritual and religious enlightenment and fulfilling I got last year, I was looking forward for this year. And the day has come, and I am participating in the function. I am very happy with the way the volunteers are working, the USAN is working, the executive committee is tirelessly working. You might have seen the banner of ODOP also. We are collaborating, the Consulate General of India in Lagos is collaborating with USAN to have this also the Government of India's initiative to take it to more and more people. And they have taken it diligently, and we are very happy about that. I wish USAN and all the Oriya community of the world that their celebrations should go in a big way, and they should get the religious and spiritual fulfillment, enlightenment. Dhanyavad.
Thank you, sir. We had today 108 Kalas Yatris, especially all over the Indian community and also from Nigerian communities, some participants. For 108 Kalas Yatris collected the pure water of Ma Ganga's river, and it has come here for the offerings to the Lord Jagannath, to all other gods. So how you have felt it, and what is your remarks on that, sir?
In one word, I would say it was picturesque. Such a beautiful sight to behold, and the enthusiasm in ladies, and they were walking around all the temples and taking the blessings of other temples. It was a wonderful sight to behold, and we also participated in Pradakshina of Lord Jagannath temple, and the mandal they have made for the Karta Puja. So it was a wonderful experience.
Thank you, sir. Actually, the ODOP has given us more charms to us, and we can see this is the best decorations we had on the 7th year. And thanks to Consul General of India for sponsoring the events under the ODOP programs. And with this, we could showcase the products of Orissa. Actually, it has been told to us only the 5 products. We have taken the 5 districts into 5 products, 25 products. And also in addition to that, we have gone more far by showing progressive Odisha, that is having the industries of Odisha, tourism of Odisha, food of Odisha, arts and crafts of Odisha, and also the MSME, SME, all those products what can be imported from Odisha to have bilateral relation with Nigeria. So thanks to you, sir. It is your initiative. We are thanking you once again for coming and also supporting us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Biswal Sahab, it is a collaboration. OSAN has also this interest to project Odisha abroad in a better way. And it is also the responsibility of the consulate that we should also publicize the manufacturing strength of different parts of India. So it is a synergy and we have tried to exploit this synergy for betterment of our country. Thank you. You can see the beautiful ODOP banner they have made for popularizing the product of 6 districts of Orissa: Puri, Sundargarh, Sambalpur, Mayurbhanj, Cuttack and Korapur. And we can see the diversified manufacturing strength of these districts. Like you can see the agriculture product of Korapur and the bamboo work. And in the Cuttack, you can see the silver filigree and the brass bell metal products and other. For the Mayurbhanj, once it was a district with drought, but where it has come now, and we can say that they are a leading millet producer and they are good in crafts. And similarly, we are showcasing the textile of Sambalpur, and it will go a long way. Maybe we are wearing these dresses from Sambalpur, so we are already showcasing this. Apart from this is Sundargarh, steel and iron ore, the mineral producing district of this thing. And in the Puri is the land of Jagannath, and the culture and the heritage which it can showcase is unparalleled. Thank you, Osam, for doing all this in collaboration with the Consulate General of India. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Today also, for live showcasing is there. You can see that the Patachitra is there. The applique work you can see which has been hanged all over.
उसका छोटा सा ना हमें भी क्लिप भेजना, हम लोग भी शेयर करेंगे अपने कॉन्सुलेट पे.
Celebration of 7th year Jagannath Temple Sthapana Divas. We will also showcase our progressive Odisha. We can see our arts and handicrafts, traditional people art, then sand art, then stone carving, then textiles. You can see palm painting, Tarakasi. This is the very famous in Odisha, and it is has been edges from the cotton industry. Then horn work. Then we have culture. We know that Odisha is very rich culture. You can see Odissi dance is edges rule. Then we have Paika dance, Puja, then Gotipur dance, which is celebrated in front of Jagannath Temple. Then Ratha Yatra, we celebrate. Then Boita Bandhan. This is when the Odiyas started their journey in ancient ages for traveling different part of the world. This Boito was like at that time the ship. So that day we normally do the Boito Bandhan to memorize that our Odia culture has the business ethics, and they have been doing the business in different part of the world. The Raja Festival, this is mostly for this our unmarried ladies. You know, they do the celebration of Raja Parva, and it's celebrated in all over Odisha in June. Because Sambalpuri dance, this is the very
Tribal
dance. And then Durga Puja, as we say, the Durga Puja we celebrate, and these are the tribals. And Odisha, we cannot imagine without food. We have different foods. Here is few we have shown here. We got Rasagolla, which is very famous, and we have Abada Mahaprasad, which is and Puri Khaja. Then Chenapodo, then Rasabali. Rasabali is from my district. Kendrapada is famous for the Rasabali. Then Dahi Vada Aloo-dum. Then Pakhal. Pakhal is the most delicious food of Odisha because
This of alcohol.
yeah, that is. And you can see this mostly lot people they go to Odisha they burn Pakhal. And this is the April, May, June is the 20th April. 20th April we are celebrating Pakhal Divas also. This Arisa Pita you will get only in Odisha, nowhere else. Okay, Chakuli Pita, then Manda Pita. You know this is
Sugar.
No, this sugar. From the it looks like a bomb. If you open a box, you'll see some poor and other things. So this is very unique in only our state we do.
Tourism, chairman, please add.
Talking inside.
Yeah, so we have Puri Srimandir, Lord Jagannath's own temple. It is a very famous, so 10 million old temple. The famous Konark temple is the Sun temple, which is the world famous temple and also coming on World Heritage Sites. Lingaraj temple is for Lord Mahadev, Shiv, famous. We have Dhauli Stup and Mukteswar temple, Taratarin temple in Ganjam from my district. And we have Nandankanan Jews, Chilika, the largest lake in Odisha.
Only one who
Yeah, this is the place where you have white tigers. Nandankanan. Chilika is the largest lake in Asia. And then the famous Bali Jatra is also showcased here. We have in Vitarkanika National Park, crocodile park is there, where almost over 500 crocodiles are cultivated there. White tigers and dolphin Lika Saproda is there. The famous Hirakud Dam which is providing electricity to the entire state. And also we export electricity from this place is there. And we are showcasing there the largest dam in Odisha. Now Orient Paper Mills from Rajrangpur, Odisha is there. It is famous for paper, supplying to the entire India. We have cement companies also from Rajrangpur provides cements. Yeah, Hindustan Electricity is our flagship company, providing all the defense assets is there from there, and also chemical petrochemical companies, Tata Steel, Kalinganagar, has been showcased. Thank you so much. Thanks for coming. Now we are grateful to all our sponsors for the entire events. They were contributed generously for this event. Yeah.